Okay, Robert back here. Been wanting one of these inverted lanterns for the longest time. You just don't see them in my area, and never seen one in person until I went to the Hartford gathering, and I was lucky enough to find one at a really good price, a really fair price. So let's check this thing out. I thought about tearing this thing completely down and going through it because I really don't know what has been done to it in the past. But I took the globe off and looked up in it, and it just looks spectacular. So I knew the pump gasket was bad. I could tell by looking at it, and it wasn't pumping because the pump leather was really dry. So it's been sitting a lot of years, but it's been took care of. I mean, the previous owner did love it. I mean, he's took care of it. So I just swapped out the fuel cap with one that already had a good gasket in it, and I oiled the pump leather, pumped it up. It holds pressure. I can hear it. I can hear it pumping air when I turn the valve. So hey, let's put some fuel in this thing and see if it'll fire. Burn in that mantle, I guess. Okay, here it goes. Crack that valve a quarter of a turn. Just getting, all right, I hear a gurgle now. Turn it off before I flood it. Let's let that set just a minute. I think it's just pushing air out of the lines. All right, let's try this again. Jesus Christ, that scared me to death. See, I thought I'd flooded it a little bit. Yeah. what I'm talking about. Turn off these lights and see how much light that thing's putting out. Yeah, I like it. Now we gotta hang it up and see what it looks like. Gotta put more light hanging in there. Alright, kick back here on the front porch. Man, that thing's really putting out some light. You hang it up high like it, I mean, it just puts out so much more light. I mean, you can see, man, you can shadow my camera there. I mean, it's really doing its job. It's going to earn its keep. But man, I think it's really cool. I think I really like it. Okay, things been burning about a half hour. We're going to take it back in the shop and take a look at the paint. See how that paint's holding up to the heat. I got my doubts about it, but let's wait and see. Okay, it's cooled down a little bit. It's still hot, but I mean, I can touch it without burning myself. Still pretty warm. As you can see, the top got a little dark, but it's not flaking and peeling as of yet. So anyway, it still don't look bad. So I don't have to worry about trying to strip the paint off of it, I don't think. Looks good. Okay, y'all know the routine. Like, share, subscribe. God bless.